Hello YouTube, this is Jose and I own a '07 F150 4.6 liters, and I'm gonna show you this video how I solve a problem of no cranking, no start. No crank, no start. Real simple. Let's go inside. Okay, so let's get it started. There you go. Now she's fixed, and I'm gonna tell you real quick because you might be stuck on the road like I was. I replaced a lot of parts, and the only thing I didn't replace was the batteries inside the key. Okay, this key right here has it's a transponder key, and this key contains a replaceable battery. I didn't know that until one day I was reading the key and I found out that there is a 3 volts battery inside this key. When I replaced that battery, that problem of no cranking, no start went away after spending almost 700 bucks replacing a lot of parts. And I'm gonna tell you all the parts that I replaced that maybe you don't have to go or spend all this money, and maybe the solution for you is the battery inside your key. If you have one of these keys, okay, transponder key, okay, you might want to start by replacing the battery, okay, and that fixed my problem of no cranking, no starting. All right, YouTube, I hope that solves your problem just by replacing your key battery. I replaced a lot of parts. I replaced the car battery. I spent like 300 bucks. I also replaced the starter on the truck. I spent another 300 bucks. I also bought a starter relay. I spent like 50 bucks. I also replaced the camshaft sensor that I saw in a video, and I also replaced a crankshaft sensor that I saw on another YouTube video. And still, after replacing all those parts, still sometimes it will not crank, it will not start, and I was wondering why. I was getting frustrated by the fact that I had to spend all this money buying all these parts, and still my problem wasn't solved until I found out about the battery inside the key. I only spent 6 bucks to buy this battery, and this solved my problem. It's been 2 months since I replaced the key battery, and I wanted to make sure that this solved my problem. You probably only have to buy your key battery, okay? Start by doing that, and maybe you're gonna save a lot of money. Okay, well, I hope this video helps. Okay, sorry for my English. Okay, English is my second language, Spanish is my first language. Okay, hope it helps. Blessings. Bye bye.